Hey guys, showing you this multi-tool light. So this can come in a nice box, and then this have a 17 different functions. So it's a 17 in one different tool thing. So here it goes. So it have, like, the temperature thing, light, the hook, then to screwdriver. In the corner I'm showing all these functions, belt cutter, the buttons and stuff. These are rechargeable, so you can charge it through this cable. So I will charge it for some time and then show you its function as well. They are the both like screwdriver in the back. You can just take it out. This is a magnetic screwdriver thing, and you can just put it in here, and then you can use it as a screwdriver as well. So cutter, driver, hook, bottle opener, belt clip, and the light and everything. So I will show you the light a little later on. So here, like the light, so there are different thing for emergency lights and stuff, blue and the red lights. So it's pretty nice and very handy, a really great set of tools that comes in one package, and a nice thing to have.